So I'm going to show you guys how I make a quick Herbalife meal replacement lunch shake that is loaded with nutrients, and it's very convenient and nutritious for a busy mom like me. So if you're someone that's, like always busy, you just want a quick meal option, but also low in calorie, high in nutrients, you can try this recipe. Okay, and let me know if you like this recipe and if you have any good recipes to suggest to me you want me to try and show you guys on video here. Just let me know in the comment below. Okay, so let's go and make this shake. Okay, so we'll be using the Dutch chocolate F1 and combining with our protein drink mix vanilla flavor. This is actually one of my favorite combos. And to add some extra bulk, I like to use healthy fats. And we got 2 walnuts here with 1/4 of a medium-sized avocado. Okay, so let me know in the comment below if you also like having your avocado in your shake. It makes the shake so smooth and so thick, which is perfect for like a filling lunch shake. All right, let's get started. And because I'll be using the PDM, the protein drink mix already, so I won't be using any nut milk or milk. I'll be using water. Okay, so this is one of the common ones where a lot of you guys ask me in terms of like, can I use water? Can I use milk? So I just pour in about 300 ml here. Maybe a little bit more because I'm gonna chuck in avocado. It's gonna thicken it. So you can adjust the water level according to how thick or how watery you like your shake to be. And I'll throw in the walnuts first. And here, let's do our F1 first. So 2 heaping scoops. And then our PDM, 2 scoops too. Oh, I'm running out. So you can do 2 flat scoops or heaping scoops because I'm running out. So I'm going to be a little bit stingy with it, but just 2 heaping scoops, that's also good enough. And then lastly, our avocado. So I like to do 1/4 just to make it very thick, make our shake, a little bit more kind of bulkier and thicker and creamier. And then it's up to you if you just want to use a little bit of avocado. Now you can see all our ingredients in here and it's ready for blending. You can see it's quite a big one. I like to make it very big so I can sit down and enjoy. But for today, because I am very short on time, so I decided to make myself a beautiful Herbalife F1 PDM shake. Look at this, nice and creamy. So what I usually do for the finishing touch is I like to add some topping. So today I've got some Cheerios. Okay, so just enough, just a little bit of Cheerios, like cherry on the top, Cheerios on the top. Don't go too crazy with the topping because you don't want to, like increase the calorie load by having a crazy amount of toppings, right? Because the main nutrients come from your shake, okay? You don't want the calories to come from your toppings, okay? So there are a lot of ways, there are a lot of different topping options. You can do fruits, sprinkle like sesame powder, sprinkle like even cinnamon, but something that you want to chew. So I do suggest like a bit of the Cheerios or cornflakes. They're also very popular as well. Okay, I am ready for my lunch shake. Yep, so I like to have a thick straw, kind of like a boba tea straw, and also a long spoon to scoop, my shake, and to scoop the Cheerio. So I'm kind of eating this like a smoothie bowl, all right? So let me know if this is something that's very similar to what you guys make at home for your meal replacement shake, or if this is like a new recipe you would like to try. Let me know in the comment below. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a very delicious video, okay? And if you guys like to see more videos like this where I take you into my kitchen and experiment with different Herbalife recipes, let me know in the comment below as well. And lastly, if you guys want to work with me, have me as your Herbalife coach, reach out to me. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook, and even just email me as well. And all the details about how to work with me, how to join my program, how to get me as your coach, all the details are in the description below. You can just click on it. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.